Speech generation, or speech synthesis, is the artificial production of speech from text. Cozmo speaks English. You can program him to say whatever you want him to say.
Hello, I'm Cozmo. Nice to meet you.
In order to do so, we need to use the say tile. Let's try it. In Calypso, keep the when clause empty and select the say tile. In the window that pops up, type in hello. Enter execution mode. Cozmo will greet you.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
The problem is, Cozmo will keep saying hello because the cycle continues. If you only want him to say it once, you need to put a once tile at the end of the rule.
Hello.
Let's try something more complicated. In Calypso, put in when see cube, say hello cube once, and on the next line, when not see cube, say I feel lonely once. Now, put a cube in Cozmo's sight. Enter execution mode and take the cube away. Let's hear what Cozmo would say.
Hello, cube. I